Gender, the state of being male or female. But what if one does not identify as either one of them?
सोसाइटी में सबके साथ मतलब मैं समाज के साथ एक मिलकर रहना चाहती हूँ, चाहे समाज मुझे एक्सेप्ट करे चाहे ना करे।
हम लोग जैसे एंट्रेंस करने के लिए मेन गेट पर पहुँचे तो वेस्टर्न मॉल वाले के वहाँ के सिक्योरिटी गार्ड ने बोला कि हिजड़े इज़ नॉट अलाउड।
यहाँ तक पहुँचती तो एक पुलिस वाले ने मुझसे बदतमीजी कर, फिर यहाँ से मैं यहाँ तक आती हूँ तो पुलिस वालों ने मेरे साथ बहुत अत्याचार करा।
Mahatma Gandhi once said, and I quote, "Be the change that you wish to see in this world." Inspired by this, we believe that we can be the change that we wish to see in this world. Keeping this in mind, we have created Transcendence, an app that aims to provide an exclusive platform for transgenders.
The success of this app will result in the transgenders gaining more access to opportunities and thus bring them on an equal footing with the general working middle class.
We as a company want to promote diversity and as such want to include as many women, people with disabilities and LGBTs as possible. Unfortunately, bringing in LGBTs has been a large grey area as there are no clear avenues to reach out to them.
In order to bring the transgenders into the workforce of our country, we have included an employment feature which enables individuals to search and apply for jobs which have been posted by companies or other third parties which are registered with us.
Due to social stigma and abuse, the suicidal rates among the transgender community has disturbingly increased. Unfortunately, they aren't aware that counselors can help them cope up with this stress they undergo every day at work, in public, and even within their own families.
Our app has a counseling feature which provides a listing of counselors and enables individuals to contact them through our app.
To make our app more engaging, we have included a few other features such as a list of events for transgenders where they are socially accepted, a blogging feature which allows our users to build networks, a list of popular hotspots which supports transgenders, and a list of contacts that transgenders can call during an emergency.
Our app targets an estimated population of 10,000 transgenders in Bangalore. Due to minimal stats, we started on a small scale. However, we plan to expand our app to Karnataka, India, and later we plan to connect transgenders all across the world.
As part of our revenue strategy, we plan to include subscription charges for companies, a nominal fee for posting events, premium jobs and advertisements. 60% of our revenue will be used for app maintenance and marketing, while 40% of it will be donated to the NGOs for transgender empowerment.
As per our market research, we found no apps which cater specifically to the transgender community. What sets Transcendence apart is the engagement levels it will build for the users with its captivating features like events, hangout listings and blogging.
A wise man once said, and I quote, "The secret of change is to focus all your energy, not on fighting the old, but on building the new." Keeping this in mind, we have created Transcendence with the hope that it will change the past, correct the present, and create the future.
Be inclusive,
Be a trans ally.